The signal within. Are we patterns of consciousness? What if the self is not a thing, not a solid object, not a body made of atoms that appears and disappears? What if consciousness is closer to a pattern of awareness, like a signal briefly appearing in the universe? Think about a wave in the ocean. For a moment, it raises. It has shape, movement, presence. Then it falls back into the water. From the wave's perspective, it ends. But from the ocean's perspective, nothing was lost. The pattern simply changed form. Some philosophers and psychologists have wondered whether human consciousness might be similar. Not identical, but meaningful. We experience ourselves as individuals, separate, unique, alive, yet every thought and memory is a process. Neurons communicating, information flowing, patterns unfolding. If consciousness is information in motion, then the question becomes interesting. When the body ends, does the information simply disappear? Or does it return to something larger? Not in a mystical sense, but in a philosophical one. Because patterns do not vanish. They transform. Like music after the song stops, the notes once existed, the experience was real, and the echo remains in memory and meaning. This does not prove anything about life after death. Philosophy rarely proves. It explores. It asks better questions. Perhaps we are not objects moving through time. Perhaps we are patterns of awareness, experiencing time, temporary expressions of something deeper, moments where the universe becomes conscious of itself. And if that is true, then every human life is more than a beginning and an end. It is a note in a much larger composition, a signal within.